Hello everyone, this is another video of Try This at Home video series for PowerApps and other Power Platform tools. I'm going to generate a application that helps my son to improve his multiplication. He's in elementary school. Basically, instead of asking one by one, I want him to answer full set of questions and understand how he's improving, which pairs are hard for him, and focusing them. So basically, to do that, I used 3 different tables in SharePoint. I created a try details table that you can see the table contents here, but basically it's going to be first number, second number, and result, starting time, end time, is answered, is correct, and speed. Try overview is a some kind of summary that I can use in the future, maybe in my reporting. And multiplication set is full pairs of set for 1 to 9 multiplication. So to start this project, I'm going to create a canvas, and I'm going to say multiplication test 3. We can name it differently, of course. And I will need 2 different screens. First going to be home screen, and second will be test screen. In the test screen, I will create a form here, and let's connect the data source. SharePoint. It's going to be that one, and try this at home, and I need these 3. And for this one, I'm going to use try overview, but I don't need everything. I will need just date. So I name it as try date, but it looks like title. That's okay. I'm going to add date here because I want my son to try every day just once. As date information, I'm going to use text and now. Just date format going to be enough. I don't need minutes or not, but if you want, you can generate it, of course. It's going to generate unique try date for you. And from here, I'm going to add a button to the start new test button to the home screen. So basically, I'm going to use new form every time. Every time I click here, I wanted to go new form. I wanted to create a new form, and I want to create a new set. I'm going to call it number collection. I will use it multiplication set table for it, and whenever I click it, first this button going to create new form, create number collection, and submit it to its place. Submit form 1. And I will explain why I'm going to use it, but I'm going to create a random number as well. Random number. Because there are 81 pairs, I'm going to use 1 to 81, and I'm going to use total time that I spent for full set of multiplications. That's why I'm creating another variable that called earliest time. It's going to be now again, and buttons original task is navigating us to test screen transition cover. Okay, now when we click here, it's going to generate a new collection and submit it, right? So let's see full set here. Create a new collection gallery and add a collection to this gallery. We don't need this objects. We will just need two input text for the first number and second number. Is item dot first number. So one is appeared already, and this item second number. Okay, and we want one more for the result, and we don't need anything here, just empty text box, right? Okay, now I have everything, but I need to name them. First number, second number, and input answer. Okay. Now, when we create this list, I want to put all these lists to try details table, because when I push all 81 pairs, I want to answer one by one randomly random pairs, and I want this application to go and check the table, the try details table, and put the right answer to the correct place. As a starting point, we already set the submit. On success for this submit, I want to create a for all number collection and patch it to try details. Try details, and it's going to be title. Will be title. Actually, title is order number. I name it order number, but it converted to title. That's okay. And first number, first number, and TD means try details, and it's going to be first number, and second number will be second number, and try overview ID will be form dot last submit dot try overview ID. They must be same, right? That's okay. Now we don't have this yet, but let's check the try details, and First, let's clean everything, delete everything. Let's delete try overview as well. And it's empty. This one is empty as well. Let's check. Go back to home screen. Click it. Start new test. And let's see if the system accepts this pair list. As you see here, there at the end it is uploading one by one. But at the end you need to see 81 different pairs here, and their try details ID will be their unique value in this table, and the try overview ID will be same with the try overview table. It's going to be our connection. Yeah, as you see here, 81 pairs is here right now. So what I'm but basically, as you see here, there are all 81 pairs is visible. I don't want it. I want to see just one here. That's why I'm filtering this gallery with the value. Title is again order number, but it will be a random number. But don't forget, it already started to give us random number, and it's a random pair. But don't forget, we clicked that we created that random number in home screen. So we need one more. We need one more random number here when we publish this. When we save this pair and its results to the try details, it should be renew, right? So we will get there. Then we will create a save button inside the gallery, and this save button going to help us to patch this information to its place, which is try details. It's going to be a try details ID should be the same with the okay, we need a lookup here because we need to go and find the exact try details ID. Try details, there will be some conditions. Try overview ID going to be same, and form 1 last submit, and try overview ID will be same, and first number going to be value dot first number dot text, and second number will be same with the value second number dot text. Yeah, they need to be same before we use it. Why it is giving me an error? Because it's not enough. We need also this try details ID. Okay. Now title going to be this title, which is which is order number, and or sequence number, whatever you call it. And it's going to be, we want to publish the result. This item and is correct if value input answer dot text is equals this item result, then yes, otherwise no, and is answered, then you click yes. Start time means when my son start this pair and when he answered it. So to create a start time, I need a starting time for this pair. What I'm doing is I'm creating a now object now inside this pair, and I'm going to name it start time. And you know what? I don't need this input text, so basically we can make it invisible, but we can still use it inside start time to use it as start time from the input text. Date time value going to be helpful for us. Start time dot text again, and end time when we click this save button, it's going to be now again, and speed will be date difference. Date I'm going to extract this from now, right? And I need seconds as a measure. Okay. Now, if we want to answer this question, let's see if it goes there or not. Yeah, as you see here, our pairs landed its place. So it answered this question. It gave us speed. And okay, start time and end time, as you see here, it's pure date. Maybe we can convert it as a date time to understand better. And everything is here. Okay, but as you see, this pair is still same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another random number, but I'm going to use shuffle this time. Set random number 2. I'm going to filter by details table, and there will be conditions like try overview ID going to be same with the form 1 dot last update last submit that try overview ID, but is answered. It should be no, right? We need another pair that we didn't answer yet. Filter going to give us a bunch of results. What we need is we need to pick one of them. First of all, we need a shuffle to every time we click there. We want to receive a random number, not a sequence. We don't want to ascending or descending order. We just want a random order, and we want top of it. Just one to pick just one pair. I'm going to use first, and it's going to be title, right? Order number. Now I have, whenever I click there, I will have a new random number, but I need to use it here. To use it, I'm going to, when I click the random number in the button, there is no random number 2 yet. That's why if random number 2 is blank, true, use random number or random number 2. Yeah. Now we can try one more time. 56. It's going to create the same thing, and it's giving me new pairs. Great. Okay. Now we have this. What I'm gonna do is, when I finish all the pairs, I want to go back to first home screen again. What I will do is, I will create some conditions here. If count if try details and try overview ID equals form 1 last submit dot try overview ID and is answered yes equals 81, then patch try overview this time try overview ID is going to be same, but correct answer count is okay. There is a, as you see here with the count if, there is a delegation warning because I'm going to count just 81 rows. No need to use Power Automate here. Correct answer count will be count if. Actually, I can use this, but instead of is answer, I'm going to use is correct. And speed, which is total speed, will be date difference earliest time that I created at the home screen and now, and I will need seconds again. To see if the try details, a correct answer and total speed is working or not, I'm going to answer all the questions. Yeah, since we have very few pairs that we didn't answer, I didn't answer yet, so I'm going to add a identifier here when I finish all the pairs. Something can prevent me to continue to do this. Maybe I can just add something to redirecting to home screen. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can do this, if let's see if it works. Morning 6:42. Come on, finish. Okay. It redirected here. As you see, we finished. Let's see if we got the results. Yes, I made a mistake, and my total speed is 1,538 seconds. Yeah, our application is ready. Maybe just you can add one more thing here. If you can make it invisible when there is no answer inside the input answer text box. For this one, we can make it if input answer is blank, input answer true, it's disable, save play mode disabled, otherwise edit. It's already gone. Let's see something. When we put something, it is appearing. Yes, this is the application. There you can add more improvement on it, like adding analytics, some data in the home screen, which we're gonna do it in the next videos, or make it work with the voice. Yeah, if you think I need some improvements or change anything, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching.